Hello, my name is Mr. Davis. I'm a teacher in North Queensland. I'm here today to teach you how to code using Python. Python is a coding language and we're going to be using the BBC Microbits. You could use the BBC Microbit code editor, which you can locate through Google. I do use this occasionally. It's available via any web browser. However, it doesn't have some of the advantages to the other platform I use in classrooms. So if you type in Grok Learning, you will go to the Grok Learning website. Grok is an Australian company. Their goal is to teach students how to code. You need to create an account, so you need to register an account. I already have one, so it will go straight to my account. No, it won't. This is Grok Learning. So for this series of videos, we're using the Microbit. We're coding in Python. Now, we're going to do most of our work using this playground. The playground is available to anyone. It's free, and it's a place where you can type in code and see if it works. On the screen, you have a piece of code. It says display.show image sad. You press run and the simulator will simulate the display. If you were to type in happy, it would show a happy face. For now, we're going to completely ignore all the information on the left. Now, in the classroom, and because I'm in Australia, we also have a lot of material that's freely available. If you type in intro, you will get two challenges: Intro to Microbits, Intro to Microbits Blockly. Blockly, Python. I do this with my year 7 and 8 students, and it's free modules that will teach you how to code the Microbit. And we're not going to do these during the videos, but I want to explain to you how Grok works, and we'll use it to introduce the Microbit because I think this resource is one of the best available in the world. The circles on the left-hand side represent information which is intended for the student to read. The diamonds are challenges, a task for the student to complete. If you're able to complete the task correctly, you can mark your work, and if it turns green, you've marked it correctly. On the screen is the BBC Microbit. It is a tiny computer that runs the Python programming language. It has 15 LEDs, 5 by 5. It has button A and button B, and also on the back, just here where the mouse is a reset button. The Microbit has an accelerometer, which enables you to detect which way the Microbit is moving. It also has a magnetometer, I can never say that word correctly, which acts like a compass, so you can detect north, south, east, and west. It's able to detect the temperature and provide a reasonably accurate temperature reading. You can create a network using the Bluetooth function to simulate a real-life network. You also have pins 0, 1, and 2, so you can connect peripheral devices such as an LED strip of lights or a speaker. The reason Grok is so good is because if you don't have a Microbit, the software simulates what will happen on the Microbit. A Microbit is available for around 15 Australian dollars. The peripheral devices I use in this video will cost, in total, including the Microbit, 40 Australian dollars. In the links below, I've added companies where you can purchase this equipment from. I use this equipment in my 7, 8, 9, 10 digital technologies classes in Australia to follow the Australian curriculum. So this is what I use to introduce coding to the students. Again, the circles are information. If we press play, we can simulate a response down here. and then we can change it to sad and it will change. This line here, the BBC Microbit is a device and Microbit is a Python module. This line identifies to the microbit that you're using the Python language to program it. You would not delete, change, alter this line for any reason. You will leave it on each of your programs as the first line that is read. Alright, using the microbit module, everything we use in the second statement, this one down here, is imported from the microbit module. Display.show is a method, like a command, of a display object which controls the microbit's display. Image.happy is a built-in image provided by the image class. The microbit has pre-built images. There's approximately 60 of them. I'll show you how to access them in a future video. I encourage you to play around with each of these to see what happens, even to the point where you delete something and experiment. Coding is an exact language. If something is incorrect, it will not work. As I mentioned before, the diamonds are problems. So this problem, write a program that shows a happy face on the microbit. This is the only time I will give you an answer for a Grok Learning Challenge question, simply because the answer is on the page we looked at before. Here it was. How this works is you can press play here and you will see a simulated response of what your microbit should do. You then type your code. So I've typed this already. Display.show bracket capital I for image dot capitals happy close bracket. You can then press run. You'll then see your program working down here in the simulator. If your program matches the program here, you would then press mark. Once you press mark, it will ask you to confirm that you want to submit your program for marking. I cannot do this because it's already been marked correctly. This is indicated because the diamond is orange. If you have a question which you have gotten wrong, for example, this question asks us, write a program that shows a picture of a rabbit on the microbit. This program does not show a picture of a rabbit, so if I mark it and submit it, it will come up incorrect. Okay? Testing that the display is showing a rabbit, the display was showing happy. It tells you what is wrong. As you can see, it's indicated orange, as in if I did not get it correct. So we're not going to be focusing so much on completing these modules. We're going to be working through the freely available to anyone in the world Playground. So to access Playground again, type in BBC Microbit, Python, make sure you have nothing here. Here it is. This one's got 9 problems. Now the beauty of using this platform is it saves your work automatically. You can save up to 9 different projects, plus you can save multiple times in each project. So this program simulates display.show happy. You can press save and you can see that this program is saved 1 second ago. But I can also load a program which I wrote a day ago. I think that's it for video 1. At the end of this video, you should be able to display an image on the microbit. If you'd like to get a full list of images, let's take a wild guess. BBC microbit images list. It should take us to the BBC documentation. I use this website all the time. Down here we have a list of all the images that are pre-programmed into the microbit. As you can see, there might be more than 60. but these are the ones that are available. If you were to type something that was not available, it would come up with an error. Thank you for watching. I really hope you subscribe to this channel and work with me as I teach you how to use the Python programming language and to program these microbits. I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great day. Finally, each video will have a challenge, something for you to complete at home to prove that you are following along with the videos and that you are learning. Challenge 1. Use the microbit documentation to locate the built-in image class of an animal. Write a program that displays that image on the microbit simulator in the microbit playground on Grok Learning. Good luck and thank you for watching.